Experience the perfect snap of premium 70% dark chocolate, where every fracture reveals pure craftsmanship. Velvety, molten rivers of liquid gold flow, with a richness that defines true luxury. Precision meets indulgence, as we reveal the smooth, brittle heart of the cacao bean. In the heat of the kitchen, slow stirring transforms simple ingredients into a hypnotic masterpiece. Every ribbon of chocolate tells a story of temperature, timing, and tradition. It all begins in the tropical groves, where the vibrant cacao pod yields its precious treasure. Fresh and raw, these seeds are the humble start of the world's most beloved flavor. Under the warmth of the sun, the drying process begins, concentrating the soul of the bean. Patience is key, as the beans are turned daily, ensuring a perfect, even dry. Only the finest beans make the cut. Quality is never compromised in this sacred selection. Pure water cleanses the harvest, preparing the beans for the next stage of their journey. Clean, wet, and ready. Every drop of water carries away the remnants of the field. Fermentation is where the magic happens, developing the complex flavor profiles we crave. Within the darkness of the box, the bean transforms, unlocking its deep, aromatic potential. The cycle completes, from raw seed to fermented treasure, ready to become chocolate. Fermented beans are spread on drying trays, allowing moisture to evaporate under the bright sunlight.
Dried cacao beans are winnowed by hand, with light husks blowing away in the gentle breeze.
Clean, dried cacao beans cascade into the roaster hopper, ready for the roasting process. Inside the roaster drum, cacao beans tumble and roast, their color deepening to a rich brown. Roasted cacao beans cool gently on the conveyor belt, steam rising from their warm surfaces. Roasted cacao beans are cracked in the winnower machine, with shells separating from nibs in satisfying streams.
Clean cacao nibs fall into the grinding mill hopper in slow motion, ready for processing.
Inside the stone grinder, cacao nibs are ground into thick chocolate liquor, forming a smooth paste. Chocolate liquor is pumped into the mixing tank, where sugar and cocoa butter are added for refinement.
In the Conching machine, the chocolate mass is refined as rollers turn slowly, creating rich folds.
The chocolate is conched for hours, its surface becoming silkier and more glossy with each passing moment.
Tempered chocolate flows onto the tempering machine belt, maintaining a precise temperature for optimal quality. Chocolate is tempered to achieve a perfect crystal structure, forming a shiny surface that's irresistible. Liquid tempered chocolate is deposited into polycarbonate molds, filling each cavity perfectly.
Chocolate molds are vibrated to remove air bubbles, ensuring a perfectly flat and glossy surface.
Filled chocolate molds move down the conveyor into the cooling tunnel.
Chocolate bars demold with a satisfying clean release.
Perfect dark chocolate bars are inspected and aligned on the conveyor. Chocolate bars are wrapped in gold foil with precise folding. The foil wrapper is crimped perfectly around each chocolate bar. Wrapped bars enter the outer cardboard packaging machine.
Finished bars are placed into elegant gift boxes with precise alignment.
Boxes are sealed with branded stickers and ribbons.
A finished premium dark chocolate bar is placed into a luxurious gift box lined with gold tissue. The final box is closed and tied with a satin ribbon. Pallets of finished premium chocolate boxes are ready for shipping. A single finished dark chocolate bar is broken to show the perfect snap.
A chocolatier tastes molten chocolate, savoring its smooth texture.
The final packaged luxury chocolate gift box is presented on a velvet display. Finished premium dark chocolate bars are arranged artistically with cacao pods and nibs. Experience the precision of a perfect cut, where heat meets the velvet soul of dark cocoa. Every shaving adds a layer of delicate texture to our artisanal masterpiece. Pure indulgence captured in a moment of warmth, revealing a flawless, glistening sheen. Refined excellence, meticulously crafted and captured for the world's most discerning palates. The final snap of perfection. This is the ultimate bean-to-bar dark chocolate experience.
Fine white sugar granules dissolve slowly into the thick, dark mass with satisfying swirling patterns.
Additional cocoa butter is poured in a smooth golden stream, enriching the chocolate mass.
The chocolate mass is refined between heavy steel rollers, becoming smoother and silkier. Chocolate paste flows through narrow refining gaps, emerging with perfect smoothness.
Heavy granite rollers continuously knead and aerate the chocolate for flavor development. Tiny air bubbles rise and pop on the surface, with satisfying viscosity.
The chocolate mass reaches ideal fluidity, pouring smoothly from the machine outlet.
A flavor test confirms the thick chocolate coats perfectly with a glossy drip. Tempered chocolate seed crystals are added, initiating perfect crystallization. The chocolate is cooled and reheated, creating ideal beta crystals with mirror-like shine.
From our facility to the finest boutiques across the globe,
tempered chocolate is deposited precisely into detailed bar molds, filling every pattern. Chocolate settles into mold cavities, surface tension, creating flawless flat tops. Filled molds travel into the cooling tunnel, where the chocolate begins to set. Chocolate contracts slightly and pulls away from mold edges cleanly as it solidifies. Cooled chocolate bars are gently demolded with a satisfying clean pop. Perfect dark chocolate bars slide onto a white conveyor belt, aligned in neat rows. A quality control inspector examines a bar, checking for any minor defects. Minor imperfect bars are gently removed from the line to ensure quality. Approved bars enter the wrapping machine, where shiny gold foil is applied.
The chocolate is meticulously sealed in metallic foil to preserve its rich aroma and freshness.
An elegant paper band is applied, marking the birth of a premium artisanal product. Each bar is then nested into a protective outer sleeve, ready for the next stage. The bars are hand-arranged within a luxury gift box, ensuring a perfect presentation. A final touch of luxury is added with a perfectly hand-tied satin ribbon. The completed sets begin their journey,
moving toward global distribution. Every box is carefully packed to ensure it arrives in pristine condition. Secured for transport, the shipment is wrapped and ready for the world.
From our facility to the finest boutiques across the globe. The moment of reveal. A single bar, unboxed and ready to be savored. Hear the crisp snap, the ultimate sign of perfectly tempered dark chocolate. Elevated to an art form, drizzled with molten richness for a decadent dessert. A sensory experience that melts slowly, releasing layers of complex flavor. Garnished with raw cacao nibs for an added layer of crunch and intensity.
The complete collection, celebrating the journey from bean to bar.
Finely grated, creating delicate shavings that dissolve instantly on the palate.
Every detail is refined, making each serving a masterpiece of culinary design.
The final transformation, melting into a rich, velvety sauce for the ultimate indulgence.
Unwrap the excellence. A gift designed for the true chocolate connoisseur. Pure dark perfection. Experience the pinnacle of artisanal chocolate craft. The final bean-to-bar dark chocolate bar is a masterpiece of texture and sheen. Every edge is crafted with precision, catching the light to reveal its perfect smoothness. The branded logo stands as a mark of quality on the glossy chocolate surface. An elegant display reveals the full collection of finished premium chocolate products. Each bar is carefully placed into its luxury gift box, ready for storage. The satisfying click of the lid marks the completion of the packaging process.
The production line moves seamlessly, sending finished boxes toward their global destinations.
Luxury boxes are loaded into crates, destined for chocolate lovers across the world. Final logistics labels are applied, ensuring every shipment reaches its destination perfectly. A full warehouse stands ready, filled with premium chocolate to bring satisfaction worldwide.
From our facility to the finest boutiques across the globe.
The rich internal structure reveals the depth and soul of the cacao.
From raw nibs to the finished bar, the origin connection is clear.
The chocolate dissolves smoothly, creating a rich and aromatic swirling pattern.
A warm, comforting cup, made from the very best premium bars. The ultimate moment of satisfaction as the chocolate melts, releasing its complex flavors. The entire journey from pod to bar, captured in one final, luxurious frame. A dance of light across the surface highlights its master craftsmanship. Every detail is a testament to the art of bean-to-bar chocolate making.
Premium chocolate, crafted for moments of shared joy and pure satisfaction. This is the beginning, where every journey starts.
A satisfying snap that echoes craftsmanship.
Behold the beauty, packaged with care.
Every detail counts in this closing ritual. Authenticity sealed with care.
The logistics of perfection, ready for delivery.
The moment of joy in a fine chocolate boutique.
Revealing the treasure, a moment to cherish. A perfect presentation for a fine dining experience. Preparation is key to the perfect break. The satisfaction of a perfect snap.
Admiring the beauty of chocolate under light. A journey from factory to luxury. Connecting to the roots of our chocolate.
The beginning of a chocolate journey. A full circle from pod to perfection. The aroma, an invitation to indulge.
The beauty of chocolate captured in light. A journey that ends in delight.
From bean to bar, a transformation of passion. The precise marking of 70% dark cocoa represents a perfect balance of intensity and grace. A global collection of origins, each bar telling a unique story of soil and sun. Listen to the resonance. A clean snap and a solid tap are the hallmarks of quality. Even in its thinnest form, the richness of the cacao remains strikingly clear and pure. From raw bean to refined bar, the journey reaches its peak in this single moment. Preserving perfection requires the right environment, away from the light, waiting for the right moment. The final reveal begins with a simple, elegant gesture that builds anticipation. A perfect temper ensures a flawless finish that resists even the gentlest touch. This taste is a voyage across continents, connecting growers to connoisseurs worldwide. Every angle reveals the dedication of the maker and the beauty of the craft. The interior reveals the truth, a consistent, fine structure that melts evenly on the palate.
The story ends, but the lingering taste remains an unforgettable memory.
The smallest element, the cocoa nib, is the soul of this dark masterpiece.
Bringing the essence of the rainforest to the luxury of the final bar.
A symphony of ingredients, expertly measured and masterfully combined. Reflecting true luxury in every detail, even in the smallest of surfaces.
Ready for the world, standing as a testament to chocolate excellence. The sparkle of gold foil hints at the treasure that lies within. This is more than chocolate. This is the culmination of a premium story. Experience the ultimate snap, the perfection of dark chocolate.